Happy Saturday. Hope y'all are having a wonderful day so far. Hope y'all had a wonderful week. I had a really good week, but my week was super busy. So just gonna take some time to plan out my weekend. Hope it gives you like a little bit of motivation to have some strength to do what you gotta do. I know for me personally, when I watch these kind of videos on YouTube or just get some inspiration from someone who has that burst of energy that I'm looking for, some energy, just watching someone get it done helps me to get it done. Basically guys, today I'm gonna just go ahead and clean up the kitchen. It's a hot mess. I'm going to organize some stuff. I'm gonna wash some clothes, and I'm also gonna do some Bible study, and I'm going to just prepare for the weekend. Stay tuned. Miss just woke up, so I'm gonna have to kind of put that in the mix, but yeah.
Hi, sweet face. Say hi.
I had to stop a couple of times to tend to this little pretty princess here. But my coffee is brewing in the French press, so I'm gonna go ahead and press it. Usually you should let it sit for like maybe 4 minutes or a couple of minutes so you could get that rich coffee taste, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and press that out and make my coffee. if I don't like go to the store, I don't have any time, or I just don't have the extra funds to buy iced coffee, I literally just brew regular Starbucks coffee and pour it right on in here and make my own iced coffee. Alright you guys, so my camera's upstairs, but Janelle went to sleep, so I'm actually gonna take this opportunity to finish cooking. Arroz con gandule. It's a Puerto Rican dish, but instead of adding rice, I'm going to add cauliflower. So I'm gonna try to do like a somewhat healthier alternative, cut back on some of the carbs of this awesome dish. So eat my dinner. Got me a glass of sorrow.
Got him!
Tricked y'all. It's sorrow. It's Jamaican sorrow. This is actually a really big glass. I don't know if I could do it, but you know, you gotta put it in a wine glass to make you feel like you're drinking like just classy. You know what I'm saying? Right, JJ? Say yes. You ready to have some food? Say yes, mommy. Daily devotion. So guys, I just left the beach and I stopped by to get some food, pick up some food for us at the house. And now I'm getting a home. Now I'm getting a home car wash. A car wash brought to me. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, Jesus. Gang, birthday girl. I was trying to take a picture. I don't know. It's just not working out, but I need to put my coat on.